belated Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there.
Welcome to my vlog.
Okay, vlog-vlogan. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog-vlogan. It's another day na without ligo of vlog-vlogan. Ayun. So, welcome to my Barry's SPL serye. And ayun, mag-share lang ako ng aking thoughts of what happened for this past few days. And so today is Tuesday and Sunday was the Father's Day. And so maybe a lot of you guys here ay hindi nyo napansin na parang I greeted or I posted something about Father's Day. And this is the story and why I didn't greeted all people around about Father's Day. Because this is my first year in my existence na wala na si Daddy. Ayun lang, ang dami lang kasi biglang flashbacks. Yesterday, kasi nga it was the first day of class ng mga students. So, alam na natin, traffic ulit yun. And then, I needed to go faster in commuting. So, nag-angkas ako. Ayun nga, yung inangkasan ko is same ng motor ni Daddy. So, nung pagsakay ko pa lang, parang sabi ko, parang parehas to ng motor ni Daddy. And then, nung time na yun, nasa angkas ako, as in, literally angkas, naalala ko lang yung pain and joy at the same time. And, kaya somehow sad ako. Thinking din talaga na wala na talaga si Daddy. So, Happy Father's Day, Daddy in heaven. Thank you, Daddy, for bringing me in this world. I saw all challenges in our family, all dramas and everything. Sabi ko nga, even people nakausap ko, pang MMK or pang maalaala mo kaya yung totoong kwento ng buhay sa likod ng ngiting meron ako. Ayun. Thank you everyone. Continue to support me in my vlog-vlogan and different serye in this vlog-vlogan. And thank you. Bye!